Welcome to this algebra tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to convert a quadratic equation from vertex form into standard form. This process involves expanding and simplifying the equation. First, let's look at the two forms we are dealing with. On the left is vertex form. It is useful for quickly finding the vertex of the parabola. On the right is standard form. This form is often used when we want to apply the quadratic formula or find the y-intercept easily. Our goal is to move from the left form to the right form. To do this, we follow a specific order of operations, often remembered as PEMDAS. There are three main steps. Step 1, expand the squared binomial part. Step 2, distribute the coefficient into the expanded polynomial. Step 3, combine the constant k at the end. Following this order ensures we don't make calculation errors. Let's start with our first example. Y equals 2 times the quantity x plus 3 squared minus 5. The first step is to rewrite the squared part. Remember, x plus 3 squared means x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. So let's write it out fully as shown below. Now, we focus on expanding the binomials using the FOIL method or distribution. We multiply x by x to get x squared. X times 3 gives 3x, 3 times x gives another 3x, and 3 times 3 gives 9. Combining the middle terms, 3x plus 3x gives us 6x, so the parentheses become x squared plus 6x plus 9. Next, we need to bring back the coefficient, which is 2. We must distribute this 2 to every term inside the new parentheses. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times 6x is 12x, and 2 times 9 is 18. Notice that the minus 5 at the end has not changed yet. Finally, we combine like terms. The only like terms remaining are the constants at the end, 18 and negative 5. 18 minus 5 equals 13. So, our final equation in standard form is y equals 2x squared plus 12x plus 13. It is important to understand that we haven't changed the parabola itself, only the way the equation is written. As you can see here, if we graph the original vertex form equation and our new standard form equation, they produce the exact same curve. They are equivalent. Let's look at a slightly harder example with a negative coefficient. Here we have y equals negative 1 times x minus 4 squared plus 6. First, expand the square to get x squared minus 8x plus 16. Then, distribute the negative 1 to all three terms inside. This flips all the signs. Finally, combine positive 16 and positive 6 to get negative 10. Be very careful with negative signs during distribution. A very common mistake beginners make is distributing the exponent. They see x plus 3 squared and simply write x squared plus 9. This is incorrect because it misses the middle term. Always remember to write out the binomials side by side and expand them properly to include the middle term. To recap, converting from vertex to standard form is just an exercise in the order of operations. Always expand the squared part first, then distribute the value, and finally combine your constants. Keep these steps in mind, and you will get the correct answer every time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.